They could give is $100. $100 you want to give you. You agree to do it, yo? You ain't but thank for God and for little change you get. Listen, the most I could do for you is you fight. You understand? You still owe me, you know. You understand? And still at the end of the day, you don't even pay me back a cent. Still can't hear crying to me telling me you want another 500.
Boy, want to see you? I definitely, if I see you, I'm a bit. Wait, I want to hear something, though. What you tell me about my money that you got for me? I ain't want to hear that, want to hear something back right now, man. So, but here got my money and it's wrong. You're saying, so what going on? Man, you owe me too long, you owe me too long. And you can't check me.
You know, like I've been seeing you around all night. I had the things dealing with, you don't know it's coming.
When you don't want my bean, you know what to come at me for. I know you owe me, you know what to find me. I tired of hearing these stories about my thing, brother man. You gotta get something happening for me. Right now you got men like all kind of thing and you ain't telling me nothing. And I ain't about that right now. I let you out here go up there and flossing with a woman and take everything past here. And you see you here, you know? Tell me something about my money. Let me hear when I can get piece of my money, G.
Big mother, you see this weekend self? This weekend self, we can come check you.
I want to hear that. You give me the story thing, everything, and you can't take on this thing right now. I want to spend my money right now or do something, man. You got your flossing with a woman?
Don't worry about that.
So when you get my money?
I tell you, this weekend could be good. This weekend could be good.
When a man's only where certain things happen and when the students don't want to take man serious, you know. All of a sudden now you don't know probably live no more. When you the one you think you get your thing.
Nobody lives still.
So when you can't deal with me then?
There's other things up on the agenda.
My other things, so I on your agenda?
Yes, but I did tell you, if I'm on agenda, but that's cool. This weekend so aggressive, no man.
You're telling me cool it, and I see you're doing that right now. You expect me to be hype. I ain't clicking for what you telling me here, you know.
Aggressive, no man. Don't be so aggressive with this thing, no man. Cool yourself. Everything will get sorted out.
My man, you trying to tell me you can get something for me this weekend?
This weekend, self, big man, I will tell you.
So like, I gotta be looking for you or you gonna come DM me?
I know where you live, big man. I come to you.
Oh, you know where I live now. You know where I live now. No, that I buy you here. You never know what I can do with you. She there looking in my face.
She don't put change. She not do with this here.
Man, let she give you my money and give me, you know. Or you taking my money and give she?
I'll cool yourself.
You see what I mean? I know how you can go deal with this here, though, because when I mean is like, when it's the things may go do one of the things to get things out of winner. Bring woman up here, spend all my money, and tell me about weekend.
Big man, what do you mean your money?
Man, I don't know how when I mean this word. When it's can't tell me about when I want a little help, and when I help is to do beer kind. When I happy to do nothing positive.
Big man, I did tell you this weekend. After this weekend, you could carry me with that bullshit. But for right now, I don't need that there, you know.
Bullshit?
Oh, talk about if floss with women and going this place and that place. Big man, I don't need that there.
You owe me. I supposed to be aggressive, and you want to tell me about bullshit, but how want again? Or how after you pay me. But my man, let me tell you something. You need don't pay or don't pay. I see you don't pay, and you ain't playing that game. I can change your title. You can name or you pay. All right. I can let you know. I can let you do your thing. I can stay with you this weekend. You can't deal me. And since you can't deal me this weekend, it's going to be a different issue, you know.
Everything like, man.
Yeah, I really got my thing on this, looking up in my face and things, so.
Big man, I tell left you out to the sea, man. Leave her out to the sea. She ain't not do with the sea. She ain't not do with the sea.
I take care for you, I can't for she.
That's cool, man. Man, it's down with me with that poly all the time, you know. Please, man.
I know they're not here, so I came back.
Really?
Boys, man. Boys just tight.